Hello Panthers, this is Mr. Hernandez The Tech Teacher, and welcome to our DashBots coding assignment for Q4 Week 8. This is for grades 3, 4, and 5. We finally get to do DashBots. Let's go to my example for this lesson. Alright, 3rd graders, 4th graders, 5th graders, so you guys are the lucky few that get to do the DashBots for the last few weeks of Computer Lab. Yes, we finally get to do these. Some of you remember from last year, and for some of you, this will be the first time you get to do this. DashBots are, just like in my screen right here, these slightly larger than BBots bot that you program to do movements and sayings and all kinds of fun stuff. All right, and so I wanted to show you how to get started with this little video clip that I have. You're going to do this DashBot in between the BBots. Some of you will be doing BBots, and so some of you will be doing DashBots, and then we'll rotate. So we'll have different groups going on. Some DashBots, some BBots, okay? And so when you're doing DashBots, you'll have the DashBot, of course, and you'll also be borrowing an iPad. The iPad will have the coding program ready to go for you, but sometimes you might have to, as my video is about to show, connect and or turn on the DashBot. So let's check it out. Let me push play here. The power button is a tiny little white button on the side of the dash. Once you turn it on, it'll move around. On the iPad, sometimes you have to pair it with the plus sign, and then you gotta just look for the dash. Please pay attention to the number of your dash. The dash has a number taped onto it, so just make sure you're connecting to the right one. But right there, you can see the number 1. And so, yeah, in this program, very similar to a lot of the coding programs we do, it's all block code. You want to start off with a start button, like this one. It was a little blurry for me on my screen, but basically what I put down was a start button for when you press the top button, you can start doing this code. And in this code, I just go to the drive menu, and then I have all these commands. So far, I'm putting forward. I'm doing some turn lefts, 2 turn lefts and another forward. And very simple, click and drag, click and drag. If you don't like something, you can click it and drag it to a trash can. You don't see the trash can in my screen here, but it's there. I went to the sound block to click and drag the sound high. And then there's a bunch of other blocks here that you can experiment with. I was about to use this one in this example, but in the end, I decided to take it out. You're going to see how I take it out. Very similar to coding programs. And look, there's the trash can. I decided not to stick with that in the end. But guys, in this little video, I'm not showing you everything you can do of all the codes, but please feel free to explore. There's a lot of cool features. When you're ready, press the play. In this example here, I had to reconnect to the DashBot. So sometimes you're going to do it more than once. Sometimes you just have to do it once. In my case, I had to do it twice. And so then again, I'm going to push the play button in this video example, and it's going to start the code. Oh, I forgot. Because I set the code at pushing the button on the top, I got to push the button on the top. You might have to do the same. You see those other 3 orange buttons? You could program, instead of the top button, it could be button 1, 2, or 3 to run the code that you've done. And so very simple code for this example. Moved forward, turned around, said we or hi or some sound right there, okay? And that's pretty much it. Again, there's so many more code, there's so many more options to customize and make it your own. This week we're going to be coding with this DashBot just like you saw. Please bear with me. I know some of you know about the remote control feature, but that won't be till the following week. I'm going to have you guys code. I want you to code, practice that coding with the DashBot. It's going to be a lot of fun. It may be a little challenge, but stick with it. You're going to enjoy it. All right? So, DashBots, Q4, Week 8. This is for grades 3, 4, and 5. Can't wait to see ya. Bye for now.